Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow access to contacts and call history for your earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right now you need to just scroll down. In the last line we have it, but on some devices it call sharing or maybe contact sharing or maybe something else. So to enable it, just click at the slider near to it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!